morning children, welcome to class 2 computers. Children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 3. We have completed the chapter. Today we are going to do difficult words from the chapter. So children, first we'll do difficult words and book exercise also. We had completed some of the exercises. We will revise those exercises and then do the remaining ones. So let us start. So children, this is chapter 3, man versus computer. In this chapter, we are going to write some difficult words, children. Difficult words. So children, first of all, first word is versus. First word is versus. Small b, versus. Now, second one is, then we have children, easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. Then we have possible. Third one is possible. Then fourth is instruction. Instructions. Now, 5 is, then we have better. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. Then we have number 6 is humans. Humans. Then 7 we have machine. Dumb. Then 8 we have machine. 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 9th we have comparison. C-O-M-P-A-R-I, comparison. Comparison. 10 we have remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. Then we have 11 mistake. Mistakes. 12 we have forgets. F-O-R-G-E-T-E-S, forgets. 13 we have slower. S-L-O-W-E-R, slower. 14 we have tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired. Then 16 we have decision. D-E-C-I-S-I-O-N-S, decisions. 17 we have feeling. F-E-E-L-I-N-G-S, feelings. So children, these are some of the words which we came across in the chapter. बच्चों यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स हमने लिखा है जो कि हमें थोड़े डिफिकल्ट लगे चैप्टर्स में. We will have written these words. We'll revise these words 2-3 times so that we know the spelling as well as the pronunciation. So children, difficult. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T, difficult. W-O-R-D-S, words. Versus. V-E-R-S-U-S, versus. E-A-S-Y, easy. E-A-S-Y, easy. P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E, possible. I-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N-S, instructions. B-E-T-T-E-R, better. H-U-M-A-N-S, humans. B-D-U-M-B, dumb. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. C-O-M-P-A-R-I-S-O-N, comparison. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R, remember. Then we have mistakes, mistakes. forgets, forgets. slower, slower. tired, tired. decisons, divisions. feelings, feelings. So children, let us read once again. versus, versus. easy, easy. possible, possible. instructions, instructions. better, better. humans, humans. dumb. machine, machine. comparison, comparison. remember. mistakes. forgets, forgets. slower. tired. decisions. feelings. So children, this is versus, easy, possible, instructions, better, humans, dumb, machine, comparison, remember, mistakes, forgets, slower, tired, decisions, feelings. So these are the words which we have come across in the chapter. Now we have understood how to read and learn the spellings. So children, let us start book exercises. We have done some of the exercises. We will revise those exercises and then we will proceed to the next exercise in the chapter. So children, here first exercise is tick the statements that are applicable for computers or human beings or both. So children, here we have some of the questions. Question number A. In question number A, we have first statement is I can work tirelessly. I can work tirelessly. So children, as we know, I can work tirelessly. As we know, tirelessly means without getting tired. For example, working continuously without getting tired. कोई भी चीज़ जो कि लगातार काम कर सकती है बिना थके, उसे हम tirelessly कहते हैं. So here we have two things. As we know, here we have computer. First is computer and second is man. Now, so children, here what we are going to do? We are going to see the statements fits with what? Computer or man. If the statement fits with या choose computer or it goes with computer, we will put a tick over here, and it goes with man. अगर वो man के साथ जाता है तो हम man के नीचे टिक करेंगे. अगर statement computer के लिए है, it is right for computer. It is for computer, you will put a tick in computer. If it goes with man, you will tick under man. So here, children, we have I can work tirelessly. मैं बिना थके काम कर सकता हूँ. Tirelessly means without getting tired. मैं कंटिन्यूसली घंटों काम कर सकता हूँ और मैं थकता नहीं. बिना थके I can work tirelessly. So what is that? It is computer or a man? So children, as we know, a man cannot do any work continuously for hours. It gets bored or it gets tired after doing any work for some time. तो इसीलिए ये man के साथ नहीं सूट करेगा. It is a machine, that is computer, which can do the same work again and again for hours. It will not get tired. So you will put a tick in front of under computer, below computer. तो आप कंप्यूटर के नीचे टिक करोगे. ये स्टेटमेंट कंप्यूटर के साथ ठीक बैठता है, तो आप कंप्यूटर के नीचे टिक करोगे. Now, second one is children, I can take decision on my own. So, second one is I can take decision other box is below computer and the other box is below man. So children, as we know, the statement is I can take decisions on my own. So children, as we know, a computer is a machine. As we know, computer is a machine. It cannot take decision of its own. वो खुद का फैसला नहीं ले सकता. उसे क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, वो खुद से डिसाइड नहीं कर सकता. So a computer cannot take its own decision. अच्छा, decision means फैसला, what to do. Okay, it cannot decide what it should do or it can do or it wants to do. वो कोई भी चीज़ अपने आप में डिसाइड नहीं कर सकता है. But it is a man who can decide what I should do. If a man is walking and suddenly something falls in her way, so he is able to decide whether I should step forward or not. मैं मुझे आगे अपना पैर बढ़ाना चाहिए. Suppose अगर मैं चल रही हूँ, मेरे सामने कोई गड्ढा आ जाता है, तो I can decide कि I should step forward my leg or not, I should step forward or not. लेकिन अगर मशीन को कुछ कहा जाए, तो हम अगर मशीन चाहे कुछ भी अपने आप सोचना कि मुझे क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, तो it cannot decide. This is the one major point which makes a computer below man, which makes computer stand below man. Or in this field only the man becomes superior than the computer. So here we know that a computer cannot decide what to do and what not to do, but a man can decide. So here it goes with man. I can make decisions on my own goes with man. You will put a tick over here. उसके बाद भी है third one. So children, हमारे पास third one में है I need electricity to work. So children, as we know, we are human beings. We don't need electricity to work. Okay. Now a machine like computer needs electricity to work. So this statement goes with the third statement goes with computer. Computer एक machine है जिसको कुछ चाहिए work करने के लिए. It needs energy to work and that energy comes from electricity. So I need electricity to work goes with computer, and human being doesn't need any kind of electricity or other fuel. Human beings eat food to work or to do anything. So here I need electricity to work. तो यहाँ पे it is computer that needs electricity. So you will put a tick under computer. Now I never forget anything. Fourth one, children. I never forget anything. I never forget anything. I never forget. I never forget anything. So children, as we know, it is a machine which doesn't forget anything. We human being may forget things as the time pass. जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता है, किसी चीज़ को जितना ज़्यादा टाइम होता है याद करके या फिर जान के, हम धीरे धीरे चीज़ों को भूल भी सकते हैं. नहीं भी, वे फॉरगेट और मे नॉट फॉरगेट. तो बट देर आर पॉसिबिलिटीज़ ऑफ फॉरगेटिंग. हमारे भूलने के चांसेस होते हैं और बहुत सारे समय होने के बाद हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम याद करते जाते हैं, तो पीछे की चीज़ें अक्सर भूल जाते हैं. तो इट इज़ विथ मैन दैट वी मे और मे नॉट फॉरगेट द थिंग्स. बट इन केस ऑफ मशीन और द कंप्यूटर इट डजंट फॉरगेट एनीथिंग. वो कोई भी चीज़ भूलता नहीं है. हम जब तक चाहे कंप्यूटर के अंदर स्टोर करके उन चीज़ों को रख सकते हैं, और जब भी हमको चाहिए वी कैन रीयूज इट और एडिट इट और रिव्यू इट एंड यूज इट अगेन. सो यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर इज समथिंग विच नेवर फॉरगेट्स एनीथिंग. सो हियर वी विल पुट अंडर कंप्यूटर. सो लेट अस सी चिल्ड्रन. I can work tirelessly. Computers. I can take decisions on my own. Man. I need electricity to work. That is computer. I never forgets anything is computer. So this is all with our question number A. in the book exercise. Now we'll do question number D. So children, I hope you have understood. उसके बाद next we have B. Write T for true. B. Write T for true. Write T for true and F for false statement. F for false statement. Now, first one children, as we know children, a computer does not make any mistake. Children, as we have studied in the chapter that it is man that makes mistakes, and it is not necessarily always man makes mistakes, but there are possibilities of that man may miss or may not make mistake. Man से गलतियाँ हो सकती हैं और नहीं भी हो सकती हैं. कुछ possibilities है कि वो गलतियाँ कर सकता है, but a machine cannot make mistake, or that too a machine like computer cannot make mistake, do not make mistake, and these machines work very fast and it works very accurately. So the statement a computer does not make any mistake is true, and you will write T for true. A computer does not make any mistake. So we will write T for this statement. This statement is true. We will write T. Now, second statement. In second statement, children, we have a man gets tired after doing some work. As we studied above, we have studied in the chapter also, and in the above, take the correct option also we have studied that the computer never makes mistake. Children, if you provide or if you give them correct data or the instructions, it will never make mistake. If you give the wrong data, it will make mistake. अगर हम उसे सही चीज़ें इंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं, सही वे में इंस्ट्रक्ट करते हैं और सही डाटा फीड करते हैं, तो इट विल नेवर मेक मिस्टेक. अगर हम गलत करें, हम गलत डाटा देंगे, तो ऑफ कोर्स इट विल मेक मिस्टेक. तो मशीन नेवर मेक्स मिस्टेक. A man may or may not make mistake. तो यहाँ पे second statement, second statement is a man gets tired after doing some work. और दूसरा सेंटेंस है कि a man after doing some work a man gets tired, whereas computer does not get tired. जैसा कि हमने ऊपर भी पढ़ा कि a man cannot do anything again and again, or it cannot work for longer time, it cannot work for hours together, it gets tired. A man gets tired, but a machine can do the same work again and again and it will not get tired. तो यहाँ पे हमारा सेंटेंस है. Second one is a man gets tired after doing some work. This is also true. As we have studied, a man gets tired after doing some work. थोड़ी देर काम करने के बाद इंसान थक जाता है. Now, third one is a computer has feeling. So children, we have also studied that a computer have feelings. So children, do the computer have feelings? As we know, computer is a non-living thing. As we know, a computer is a non-living thing. It does not have feeling. Computer की कोई feeling नहीं होती. हम उसे गिराए, पटके या तोड़ दे, लेकिन उसमें कोई feeling नहीं होती. So, as it is a non-living thing, it does not have any feeling. So, this statement is also true. Sorry, false. Here it is given has feeling. It does not have feeling, so you will write here false. This statement is false. Now, fourth one, children. In fourth one, we have Write T for true and F for false statement में fourth one is a man cannot take decision on his own. A man cannot take decision on his own. This is false. So children, as we know, a man can take decisions on his own. Man अपना खुद का decision ले सकता है, but here it is given not, cannot. So the statement is completely wrong. A man cannot take decision is wrong. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, a man can take his own decision, so it is a wrong statement. एक man अपना खुद का decision ले सकता है, इसलिए यहाँ पे एक a man cannot take decision is wrong. So children, this is question number B. Now coming to question number C. Identify who performs the following task. So children, our next question is who performs the following task. Who performs a following task. Now here some tasks or the words are given. We are going to read it out and find out whether the work is done by the computer or the man. यहाँ पे question number C है children. Identify the who performs the following task. Who perform the following task? One is children. First one is working non-stop without getting tired. So children, we have read as well revised it many times. कि working non-stop without getting tired. Working non-stop means लगातार काम करना. So if it is a machine or the computer which can work continuously non-stop without getting tired. So first question is working non-stop without getting tired. Answer is computers. So children, working non-stop without getting tired. That is computers. So children, it is computer who can work non-stop without getting tired. Now second one is जैसा कि हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है, चैप्टर में भी पढ़ा है और ऊपर के भी दोनों क्वेश्चंस में हमने पढ़ा है कि it is computer which can work continuously without getting tired. Now our first question is performing complex calculations in a second. Performing complex calculations in a second. So children, as we know, a computer can do difficult से difficult work. Calculations computer easily कर सकता है और seconds में कर सकता है. So here the answer is computer. Task is performing complex calculations in a second. काम क्या है? Complex से complex या difficult से difficult calculations को seconds में करना. So who can do this? A computer can do this. So you will write here computer. Answer is computer. So working non-stop without getting tired is computer. Performing complex calculations in a second is also a computer. So first two answers are computer. These two tasks are done by the computers. Now we are going to write question number 3. In question number 3 we have another task, that is taking decision on its own. So by now children, you have very well understood that a man, it is the man who can take his own decision. So here taking decisions on its own. Third one is taking decisions on its own. Is taking decision on its own. Answer is man. Machine cannot take its own decision. So that is man. Now fourth one is storing information for longer time. What is that children? Who's that task? Storing information storing information for longer time. Storing information for longer time. Answer is children, you know very well, that is once again computer. कंप्यूटर किसी भी इंफॉर्मेशन को या किसी भी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा देर तक स्टोर कर सकता है और याद रख सकता है. So here the answer is once again answer is computer. Once again the answer is computer. A computer can store any information for longer time. Taking decisions on its own is man. Storing information for longer time is computer. अगर डिसीजन की बात करें तो मैन है, मैन कैन टेक इट्स ओन डिसीजन. और अगर हम इंफॉर्मेशन की बात करें तो कंप्यूटर कैन स्टोर इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. Now next one is fifth one. Fifth one is can work without electricity. Who can work without electricity? Can work without electricity. Can work without electricity. So children, who can work without electricity? A man can work without electricity. So the answer is man. Computer cannot work without electricity. A man can work without electricity. कंप्यूटर को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत होती है, इसलिए वो बिना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के काम नहीं कर सकता है. Whereas man can work without electricity. उसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. So this is all with question number C, children. Now question number D. In question number D we have write any one difference between a man and a computer. Write any one difference between a man and a computer. So children, there are many differences as we have studied in the chapter. The name itself is man versus computer. So whatever we have studied is about the difference between the man and the computer. So question number D is write any difference between any one difference between a man and computer. So children, as we know, there are many differences between a man and a computer. As we know, there are many differences between a man and a computer. A computer can remember things for longer time. A man cannot. A computer do not make mistake. Man may or may not make mistake. Computer works fast, whereas man is slower than computer. A computer does not get tired. It never gets tired, whereas man gets tired. A computer cannot take decision of its own, whereas a man can take decision of its own. Computer does not have feeling, man has feeling. Computer works on electricity and a man do not need electricity. So children, ये सारे differences है कि कंप्यूटर कोई भी चीज़ कभी भूलता नहीं है, मैन भूल जाता है, भूल सकता है, भूल भी सकता है, नहीं भी भूल सकता है. There are both chances. कंप्यूटर गलतियां नहीं करता, मैन कर सकता है। कंप्यूटर बहुत फास्ट काम करता है, मैन इज स्लोअर देन कंप्यूटर। कंप्यूटर डजंट गेट टायर्ड, whereas man gets tired. कंप्यूटर cannot take decision, whereas man डिसीजन ले सकता है। कंप्यूटर के पास कोई फीलिंग नहीं होती, मैन के पास फीलिंग होती है। कंप्यूटर नीड्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, को ज़रूरत होती है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की, मैन डू नॉट नीड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। सो हियर वी आर राइटिंग ओनली वन डिफरेंस, दैट इज कंप्यूटर वर्क्स very fast, whereas a man is slower than a computer. So children, this is all for today's video. With this, we come to the end of the video. We will meet again in tomorrow's video. Thank you.